Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a Freetrade portfolio update video. It feels like such a long time ago that I did my last one back in January, but yeah, this is going to be February's installment and it's not very nice. As you can probably imagine with the state of the market right now and the state of the world right now, to be honest, yeah, my portfolio is not looking very juicy, it's not looking very green, and it's not looking great, but it's not keeping me up at night at least. I know that these things happen, the market will go down, the market will come back up and so on. But yeah, I'm going to record my screen. I have the Freetrade app on my phone. They don't actually have a web version, which is quite annoying. So I'll record it on my phone and we'll go through it. I've only got 12%, so we need to do this quickly. We're going to be efficient today, guys. Right, the first thing that you can see here is that my current overall balance is £702. 1 pence. This may change as the markets are now open, I believe. So just, yeah, it's changed already. I've gone up. Woo! Gonna buy myself a coffee tomorrow. Yes, so we are down by £121.87 since we started investing into this portfolio. That's a lot. That's a lot because I don't have much money in here anyway. So that is quite a substantial amount of that money. I believe in January we were down as well, but we had, I believe £752 as the overall portfolio balance. So yeah, we've gone down even more. And you can see on the graph right here how we've gone down, but let's do 7 days. Okay, 1 day. Whoa, we're on a slide for the 1 day. Yeah, so it's not been good, but it is expected. So if we just scroll down here to see my investments, you'll see a lot of red. Tesla is down by nearly 22%. So let's go into that one first. Current value is £488, which means that we've lost 21.45%, which comes out to £133.23 as a loss. I've made it very clear on this channel a lot of times. I like Tesla. I love Tesla. I hope I own a Tesla one day, but more importantly, I hope I own more Tesla stock. Yeah, it's a company that I have quite a strong conviction for whatever reason. I won't go into it in this video. So I do think this will come back up and I do plan to buy more when I have the ability to do so. If we go back, Biogen next, and again, we are down by 12.97%. So current value is £86.50. We have a loss on the stock of £12.90. Palantir is next. Again, this is a love or hate company. This is the real Marmite at the moment, it seems. I have invested, I think I put £100 into this one, and we're currently down by 46.75. So nearly a 50% loss. That's mad. Yeah, I've nearly lost as much as I've got into in this stock. So I'm going to go into that a little bit more in detail because I have a few things to say about that after the Q4 earnings came out. But I'm not going to do it in this video. This is a portfolio update, but I am going to be sharing my biggest losses in a separate video, and this will feature in that. Next, we have Lucid Group. Lucid and Rivian I put money into because like I said, I have a strong conviction for Tesla, and that expands to having a conviction in the electric car industry, the electric car sector. I'm not saying I fully think that Rivian or Lucid are going to be the next big Tesla. I don't think that at all, but there has to be competition for Tesla, right? So I believe that, one of these companies may be that, but I'm not convinced. So I didn't put much money into it. Yeah, anyway, rambling on there. So I am down by 44%, 44.11%, so £10.96. Current value £13.89. So yeah, not a lot in that one anyway, so I'm not too concerned. The next one, we've got some green. Unfortunately, it's not a very big holding for me at all. Berkshire Hathaway, we are up by £1.16. Doesn't really offset the losses, but yeah, current value £11.10. I'm going to whiz through some of these. Rivian, down by £9.69, nearly 50% down that one. Ulta Beauty, sorry if you can hear lots of banging outside, but this one is up by 46 pence. Now, these next few I'm going to miss out because they are free shares that I'm planning on selling because I don't really want to hold any investments in these companies. I just don't want to sell them when they're down by, 15%. The last one that I actually did put my own money into is Astra Space. Luckily, I didn't put much money into this one because it's gone lower than its price when it went through its SPAC. So it's absolutely mental. It's down by more than its current value. So it's down by 3.78%, which is a 76.12% drop. I still do have some hope in this company, but I probably am not going to put too much more money into it. Not at this stage anyway. Oh, we've gone down even more, guys. Okay, forget that coffee tomorrow that I said I'm going to have. Right. I'm going to end this one here because it seems like someone is doing construction on the balcony. Really hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more of my Freetrade portfolios or my Vanguard portfolio updates, then click here.